ISO 27001 Main Steps is a step-by-step wizard where you'll spend most of your time working with Conformio. It lists all the steps you need to take to become ISO 27001 compliant and get ready for the certification. You need to complete one step at a time in the exact sequence as they are displayed, because this ensures the quickest implementation of the standard. If you try to skip some steps, this will only make your project longer. Each step is asking you to fill out a certain document, work on a module or register, or simply watch videos and learn about the standard. To create a document, first you need to adapt the template to your specific needs with the help of a second type of wizard, the Document Wizard, by clicking here. We'll explain how to use this document wizard in another video. Once you approve and publish the document, you can also open the document by going into the Documents menu, by opening the folder, and clicking the file you created. Once you're finished with the document, module, or register, you need to define any necessary awareness and training, as well as which resources are needed to perform this step. Once you have filled out all of this information, you can click the Finish Step button. To track the status of the implementation, take a look at the KPIs displayed at the top. They will help you see how far you have gotten in your project.